Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Chevy Impala key fob. This easy guide will help you add new remotes to your vehicle using the Driver Information Center. You can program up to 8 key fobs, so gather all your remotes, including any existing ones, before you begin. This process is straightforward and can save you a trip to the dealership. To begin, insert your ignition key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. This is the position just before the engine cranks. Next, locate the Vehicle Information button on your dashboard. Press this button repeatedly until the display shows Press to Relearn Remote Key. Once you see this message, press the Set/Reset button to confirm. Your vehicle's display should now show Remote Key Learning active, indicating you are ready for the next step. Now, take the key fob you wish to program. Simultaneously press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the remote. You will need to hold these buttons for approximately 15 seconds. Listen for a chime, which confirms that the key fob has been successfully matched to your vehicle. If you have more key fobs to program, including any that previously worked, repeat this exact step for each one now. Once all your key fobs are programmed, turn the ignition key to the OFF position and remove it. This action will exit the programming mode. Now, take a moment to test each of your key fobs to ensure they all lock, unlock, and function correctly. Remember, you can program up to 8 remotes. If you're looking for ways to manage your finances better, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.